Honey, wake up. It's time. I'm having contractions.
7:32 a.m. Been up since 3:20 or so. Water just broke. It's going down. It's 4:30 in the morning. This is the liner for the pool. Because the cat got in the pool and scratched up and ruined our liner, so we ordered another one. You getting another contraction?
Yep.
9:20. And all is well. Contraction interrupting makeup application. 9:22. You're back. Better hurry up and get that makeup done. You only got like 5 minutes till the next one. She says she needs to look her best for the baby. So I guess it's that time. Gotta match the baby. The baby's bald.
Yeah, I try my best. Not really that good, but thank you, Caitlin. You're welcome.
You don't think it's good?
No, I did to the best of my ability.
I'm sure it's good. You are really close. I can see the baby.
This is awesome. I'm getting excited now.
Yeah, I can see the baby. I can see brown hair. It's so wild that he's okay just underwater like that.
It's moving around. Is that okay?
Yeah. I saw him wiggle. Or her, I don't know.
Okay.
Here he comes.
Okay.
Here he comes.
Oh. Baby. Hey. Hey. Hey, baby. Hey. Hi. Oh. Baby. Hey. Are you opening an eye for me? Hey. Oh, you're opening 2 eyes. Yes, you are. There you go. Oh, he looks like Jaden did. Oh, I'll do up more things. Oh. Hey, you doing okay? Yeah. You doing alright? You cried a little bit. There you go. Time to turn on the heater. There's a boy. Yeah. Oh. I know it's kind of cold out here, huh? Oh.
He looks really good. Don't you think so?
Mommy's here. Daddy's here. Sean is here. Your big brother Hezekiah's here. Oh, that was a lot to go through. Turning. Face is turning pink. Look at that little guy. What's your guess on how much he weighs? I guess 9.
I have to, I guess.
I didn't think he looked as big as Jaden.
How much did Jaden weigh?
9'4".
Yeah.
I think 1 ounce more than Hezekiah.
Well, if he was going to match his birthday, it would be 9'9".
9 pounds, 9 ounces.
How much did I weigh?
9 pounds, 3 ounces.
I'm gonna say 9 pounds, 1 or 2. 9, 1 or 2.
Yeah. That's close to my guess, 9. 9.
Mm-hmm. Another beautiful job, Shauna.
Thanks, I didn't do much.
It's really comforting to have you here, though. Especially when we were...
Glad to have you.
Glad I was able to be here.
We were wondering.
The
Thought the
most
baby
births-
was upside down
Yeah.
at first, but...
The most births of any one family that I've been to. You guys are the winners.
Yeah. How's it going?
Jeff wants to know if he has a name yet.
Not yet.
Not yet.
Okay.
Tell him Jeff.
I was going to do that for a joke. I'm having enough trouble trying to send him the pictures and the deal. It would happen 3 times. So, anyway.
And tell Bob.
Well, I sent him a picture and said it's a boy.
Mm-hmm.
He got back with me. Okay, not yet.
How many grandkids is this for you?
What's the weight?
30-something.
How big?
And there's some greats in there as well.
Wow.
But I don't know how many there are.
It's okay, you're a guy. We'll let you get away with that. I bet your grandma knows how many.
She's going to estimate, I'm sure.
Oh, come on.
Yeah. The tough deal is, well, their names are difficult at times, but their age is not going to happen. Not going to
Yeah.
happen.
Well, I know this one's age.
Yeah. Well, this is Hannah's birthday.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. I have a daughter with this birthday already. You know you're having a lot of kids when you can't find a new birthday.
Are you feeling you hungry or anything?
Oh yeah, I was going to get you food. I forgot. I'll be right back. We come down here and we try to win a claw machine animal for the new baby and get mom a special dinner. Well, they took the claw machine out. I think I'll get him a chainsaw.
Right there?
Yeah. That's a little tricky.
Yay. There you go.
This is the first cord mom's cut. We figured that mom cut the cord on the last baby.
Yours was 9'1", 9'2".
9'1" or 9'2" is my guess here. I don't know. He might be a little heavier. We'll see.
I'll go 9'9" for fun.
Today is the 9th of September, 9/9.
9-1.
Yeah.
What? You got it. Wow.
Uh-huh.
I was really close too.
You
Do
were.
you kind of like it in there?
If we were playing The Price is Right, we'd both be rich. Oh, well, look, we are rich.
A 14.5-inch hen. Stretch.
21-incher. Nice broad chest. He's like, oh, his chest is bigger than his head. Wow. That's why it took a second to come out, huh?
Yeah, he's barrel chested.
A nice broad chest.
How many years between you all?
Me and him?
Yeah,
14.
14-year gap between these two. Wow. How do you like him?
I like him. He's not too hard to.
He's a pretty easy baby, huh?
Yeah, he's not freaking out.
No, he's not. He's content. You're contenting him. You guys ready to see the new baby?
Oh, I saw 2 pictures.
Yeah?
I've never seen you smile that much.
Oh, well, it made me really happy. I smiled that big when you were born, too. The lady that owns this tree she owns the gymnastics shop, or the gymnastics school where my daughters compete. They train them up and they go to meets and all that. My daughter's really into it. So they need this done right away because they're extending the deck roof. And it's kind of funny. She texted me today. She was like, "Are you coming to do that tree?" And I was like, "Oh yeah, I forgot. My wife's actually pushing a baby out right now." And then she was like, "Oh my," and then a short time later, I'm all, "It's a boy." That'd be it.
Okay, I'll see you in the morning.
I just praise the Lord that there was no complications, that everything went smooth, and healthy baby. Tomorrow we're cutting down a redwood. It's a pretty good sized tree. It seems kind of harsh to go straight to work, but I'll make sure my wife has plenty of recovery help with her. Won't leave her stranded. And I got to keep the money coming, so we're going to cut down a redwood and grease the wheels of sustenance, grease the wheels of survival, grease the wheels of provision. Gotta provide for this entourage that I've got. All right, Grandma, how many grandchildren?
27 grandchildren and 7 great-grandchildren.
So did you know without doing some math, or was Dad right?
No, I had to write it all down
Redeemed.
and count it twice.
It's a lot of arrows in the quiver.
Whoops.
And they're getting close to us.
Look at that.
Dance, Brandon.
Day to you.
Cha cha cha. Happy birthday.
Good job, buddy.